How to delete Windows 11 temporary files. In this video, I'll show you how to delete temporary files in Windows 11 using the Run command. Step 1. Delete Temp Files. Open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows R or searching for Run in the search bar. Type temp and press OK. Select all files by pressing Ctrl A, then press Delete. If prompted, click Skip for any files in use. Step 2. Delete %temp% files. Open the Run dialog again, press Windows R. Type %temp% and press OK. Select all files, Ctrl+A and press Delete. Click Skip if necessary. Step 3. Delete prefetch files. Open the Run dialog once more, press Windows R. Type prefetch and press OK. Click Continue if prompted. Select all files, Ctrl A and press Delete. Skip any files that can't be deleted. That's it. You've successfully cleared temporary files. To free up space and improve performance, like and subscribe for more teach tips.